channel Freelancing, and hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to become a good freelancer, the 7 plus keys to be a successful freelancer in any field. So I suggest you to watch the video from start to end so that you never miss any point and will get correct knowledge about the today's video. Today's video is very important for a freelancer and for those people who want to start freelancing and who are already doing the freelancing. So don't miss any part of video, and if you like the video then subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the new updates about freelancing. So guys, let's start our today's video without wasting our time. So guys, it's fairly easy to get started as a freelancer, but it takes a lot of hard work, dedication and motivation to survive and be a successful freelancer. This is why most new freelancers give up on their dreams of working from home after a few months. And it's also why only a handful of freelancers become successful and find financial freedom. So it took more than 6 years of hard work as a full-time freelancer to get there, to finally find financial freedom. As I have explained in my book, it didn't happen overnight. You have to work 100-hour work weeks and went through 20-hour work days to get here. So if you will talk about the key points to become a good freelancer, the number one is don't get comfortable. Guys, you always have to think in the back of your mind that someone's working harder than you, someone's getting better than you. That's what drives me every day. I always think here's someone out there working harder. My life hasn't been the same ever since I saw this quote. It literally changed the way I work and how I plan for my future. Once I reached a certain point in my freelance career, I started to get comfortable. I had two good clients who paid well, and I didn't even have to work hard, and I had plenty of time to watch movies and play video games. Then I saw this quote, and if I remember correctly, I read about it along a blog post by Seth Godin. It's as if he was talking to me directly. From that day, I vowed to myself to never get comfortable. The number two is know that you know nothing. It's the wonderful point, guys. Know that you know nothing. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. I have this quote poster up on the wall right above my work desk. So guys, to constantly remind myself that I am not better than anyone else. And the number third point is forget about the money. Guys, just forget about money means I know for a fact that most people start freelancing to earn money quickly. Somehow they seem to think that getting an office job is hard, but making money from home is as easy as pressing the keys on a keyboard. I always say that freelancing is more difficult than having an office job because freelancing is like running a business. You manage your own clients and juggle projects. You also have to promote yourself and service as well. If you start freelancing thinking of money as your main goal, you won't survive long. In the first few months as a freelancer, you will only earn a very small amount of money. You need to be prepared to survive these hardest times. Number four is learn to be polite. Learning how to talk to your clients and write a professional email is the key to building long-term relationships. Number five is keep an address book. What does it mean? Every business keeps an address book full of phone numbers and addresses of their potential clients. This applies to freelancers as well. The number six is be a master of resilience. Means if you want to survive longer than 6 months as a freelancer, you have to go to toughen yourself up. Freelancing involves dealing with a lot of rejections. And number 7, there is start a side project. What does it mean? Starting a side project is one of the best things you can do to advance your career as a freelancer. Then bonus, find a monitor. The conclusion is that freelancing is not just about finding work and making money. It's almost like a game of survival, but don't let it be just finding the next client or next big. Make it about finding your financial freedom, a plan according to your towards achievement. So it's all about today's video, guys. We'll meet soon in next video. Take care of yourself.